Alright, so we gonna unbox this. It's called the Paladone, which is like a Game Boy Light, not the actual Game Boy. I wish I had an actual Game Boy, but I need the same company does the Pac-Man one. I'm not too sure, but I digress. Let's get right to it. This is easy to open. Alright. Sorry, the stuff is out of the box, so this is, look at it. You see the A, B, the press, oh, this brings back so much memories. The start and select, the D-pad, the Super Mario Land. This got batteries in it. You need it not USB. So let's see what else in the box. We got instructions, and I guess that's it. You probably need batteries for it. But this the box. So, this the or box on the back, whatever you call it. That's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and tune into the next one. It might be a little later. I get some more tech. But anywho, I want definitely support me for more unboxing in the near future.